How to apply for quick loan on Union Bank. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can apply for quick loan on Union Bank. For this, open up any web browser and head over to unionbank.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, on the home screen, you have the option of loans over here. You can either tap on that or tap on these three lines at the top right corner, then select your account type, then from here tap on the loans option. Then from here as well, you will have different options such as personal loan, auto loan, and home loan. Select whichever it is that you prefer. Now here you want to go through the details of this loan. As you can see, here are some features over here. Now scroll down and go through all of this. After this, in order to apply for a quick loan, tap on the apply now option over here. Now you will have to fill in the details. Now you will have to enter details such as mobile number, then enter your ID type over here, then check on this box and tap on the continue option. In the same way, you will have to fill up some other details as well. Follow the on-screen instructions and then you will be able to apply for a quick loan in this way. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.